Welcome to online spoken English course. Hi. Welcome to my class. I am your English teacher Maria. This class is designed for all those who need assistance in speaking English while communicating in public. The objective of this class is to discuss few tips that can help non-native English speakers, which in turn ultimately benefit them in communication, employment and business. Today we will learn the use of number 1. I am. Number 2. I am good at. Number 3. I am in or at or on. Number 4. I am with verb. Number 6. I am getting or trying. Number 7. I have. And we will practice one conversation. Speaking in English is vital in advancing professional career to higher level. It is also equally important for academic career. Speaking in English fluently is a major goal for many non-native speakers. To communicate ideas effectively, you will need both accuracy and fluency. This quality can be only enhanced by repeated listening to correct usage. Constantly speaking the language with different audiences and learning grammar rules and usages. A lot of people has a common conception that individuals learn the communication during their childhood by observing people around and imitating them. However, this theory is not correct. But before proceeding to our class, you are expected to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel to get notification of more upcoming and exciting videos like these for your own benefit and progress. Your earnest interest will inspire us to make more videos like these. So, like, comment, share and subscribe our channel now. For beginners, English speaking basics section is created who need help to understand the basics of speaking English. Simple phrases and expressions have been used to help you achieving proficiency in speaking English. Rules are important because they set the guidelines to what is acceptable and what is not. There are 4 rules to learn speaking English fluently. Number 1. Speaking. Speak the language aloud. Number 2. Thinking. Think in the target language. Number 3. Practicing. Speak in the language whenever possible. Number 4. Checking. Never repeat the mistake. Lesson 1. Use of I am is used to tell someone about yourself or to describe something related to you. Some examples. Number 1. I am from London. Number 2. I am happy. Number 3. I am 20 years old. Number 4. I am hungry. Number 5. I am nervous. Number 6. I am so tired. Number 7. I am confused. Number 8. I am excited. Number 9. I am leaving work. Number 10. I am thirsty. More examples. Number 1. I am very happy. Number 2. I am very nervous. Number 3. I am extremely tired. Number 4. I am super excited. Lesson 2. Use of I am good at. Am good at is used to tell someone what you are comfortable in doing. Some example. Number 1. I am good at writing. Number 2. I am good at drawing. Number 3. I am good at swimming. Number 4. I am good at driving. Number 5. I am good at dancing. Number 6. I am good at sports. Lesson 3. Use of I am in. The word in is used when entering a physical location, such as a room or a building. Some examples. Number 1. I am in the car. Number 2. I am in the house. Number 3. I am in school. Lesson 4. Use of I am it. I am it is used to tell someone where you are currently, that is, which place. Some examples. Number 1. I am at the airport. Number 2. I am at the shop. Number 3. I am at the mall. Number 4. I am at the park. Lesson 5. Use of I am on. I am on is used to refer a non-physical location. Some examples. Number 1. I am on the phone. Number 2. I am on a bus. Number 3. I am on the train. Lesson 6. Use of I am getting. I am getting is used to tell someone about your plan, possession, or any specific thing. Some examples. Number 1. I am getting married. Number 2. I am getting a new car. Number 3. I am getting a job. Number 4. I am getting tired. Lesson 7. Use of I am with verb. I am with verb is used to tell someone about your current ongoing action. Some examples. Number 1. I am dancing. Number 2. I am eating. Number 3. I am cooking. Number 4. I am crying. Number 5. I am learning. Number 6. I am exercising. Lesson 8. Use of I am trying. I am trying is used to tell someone about your planned action. Some examples. Number 1. I am trying to learn spoken English. Number 2. I am trying to get a job. Number 3. I am trying to read this book. Number 4. I am trying to understand. Lesson 9. Use of I have. I have is used to inform someone about something. You have some examples. Number 1. I have a book. Number 2. I have a cat. Number 3. I have a phone. Number 4. I have a computer. Number 5. I have a pen. Listen to this conversation. Excuse me. Are you British?
No,
Do you speak English?
not very well.
How long have you been here?
1 month.
What do you do for work?
I am a student.
Now read. Listen and practice again. Excuse me. Are you British?
No,
Do you speak English?
not very well.
How long have you been here?
1 month.
What do you do for work?
I am a student.
Thank you for watching.